If you are one of those people who are looking for these products that can help improve your computer performance and productivity, all for the price below 500, then you are in the right place. From improving your health to improving your work lifestyle, these accessories are sure to make your computer experience even better than before. So sit back, relax, and let's see what's in the box. First, we have our cam blocker. With this on your side, you can finally relax knowing that your privacy is protected all the time. This compact and lightweight cam blocker is so easy to install and fits on almost all devices, from your iPhone 13 Pro to your everyday work laptop. It simply works by covering your camera lens on the device when they are not in use. So those poor guys out there will have a hard time spying on you. After all, your privacy is yours and yours only. The adhesive is strong enough to ensure the cam blocker stays in place all the time without falling off your device. And installing this bad boy in your device is so easy. In fact, it would take less than 20 seconds to install one to your device. On top of all these amazing things, this cam blocker is so thin that in fact it's just 0.6mm in thickness, equal to one of your hand nails, which makes them almost invincible once placed. You can find the link to this product in the description below. Now that your privacy is taken care of, let's move to our next product. If you are planning to improve your health and feel comfortable while working on your laptop, then this adjustable laptop stand is a great investment for you. It is very easy to use and can be adjusted to multiple and different heights and angles based on your comfortable level. It is made from high quality material and has a great ventilated design. Helps keep your computer cool and healthy just as you are. This adjustable laptop stand is very sturdy and can support laptops of varying size and brands. It is a great way to improve your posture and to reduce neck and eye strain. Also, you are one step closer to your health goal. Whoa, almost forgot. There is one more bonus that you will be receiving with this bad boy, and that is a detachable mobile stand which helps you keep your work device organized. You could use it like this, gentlemen. The choice are endless. Let me know in the comments below that how you are planning to use this one. I'm curious to hear it from yourself. Speaking of workplace organization brings us to our next product, which is this tiny yet amazing cable organizer. With this cable organizer, there will be no more tangled wires and cables cluttering your workspace. It comes with number of different holders. These bad boys can be easily attached to any surface. Maybe you should want to stick them in a plain or flat surface most of the time. Also, make sure you pick the right spot and don't forget to clean the surface before sticking one in place. This is a kind request from the seller themselves, if you are wondering. Now you know that we can use these bad boys to organize our charging cables, USB cables and other wires. Unless they are not HDMI, VGA or power cables, these bad boys will do a good job. After all, this bad boy is very affordable and more effective to keep your messed up workspace organized. So far, we have protected our privacy, organized our workspace, and even improved our health a bit. How about we improve that health a bit more? If you are using your keyboard, mouse and other devices very often, they are likely to get dirty very quickly and cleaning them might be a bit tricky. That's where this bad boy comes in. Multi-purpose cleaning gel. This reusable gel will pick up all the dirt from your keyboard with ease. Even more better thing about this bad boy is that you can use it to clean car's interior or your two-wheeler speedometers. So for the final product, we have this tiny little bad boy who brings light into your life. This flexible LED light is a great accessory for someone who might happen to work in low light conditions. It can be easily plugged onto your computer, laptop or your power bank, since the input is a USB cable. For those who are wondering that instead of buying this, I could simply turn the brightness higher. Well, 1. You might end up using more electricity. 2. You have a high chance of going blind soon. Minding these facts, all I have to say is prevention is better than cure. And that brings us to the end of today's episode of What's in the Box. We hope that you enjoyed discovering these amazing products with us. If you want to see more of the latest and greatest gadgets that can help improve your daily lifestyle and at the same time being budget friendly, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any further update from us. And let us know in the comment below what you think of these products that we have discovered, or if you have any suggestion for our future videos. Okay, bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay hydrated. See you in the next one.